Shalom. First and foremost, I'd like to give all praises and glory and honor to Yahweh Ba'Shem, Yahweh Shai Ba'Shem Kakadash, Barakatham to the elders, or Akima Akwaf, and I say Shalom. And this is a sit-down lesson of this recent news article that I want to bring out from MarketWatch.com. Last updated August the 12th, 2024 at 4:41 p.m. And it reads from Market Watch. Stock markets today, Dow Jones in 140 points, which is 140, 140 to 142 points in the negatives category. Lows as they trade digest last week volatile shock. And this is a Monday's top read of statistics of the composite and the SPX and the Dow Jones all. I believe the NASDAQ was up, but the Dow Jones and the S&P 500 was down today. Right, so the S&P 500, all that was up 0.23, which is 0%. And then the NASDAQ was up 0.21%, which is 35.31. And then the Dow Jones Industrial Average went down 140.53 points, which is negative 0.36%. It says U.S. stocks finished mixed. It says U.S. stocks ended mixed on Monday as the investors continue to digest the extreme volatile from last week. I was just checking out the other latest markets. It says, as fear Iranian attack on Israel as top threat to stocks in a busy week. It says geopolitics threatens to deal a fresh blow to investors' confidence on Monday as stocks appears to be shaking off the most chaotic stretch of the year, specifically an expected attack by Iran against Israel could send stocks markets rally once more. It says, with one more popular Wall Street strategic fund Tom Lee warns that such a move represents a bigger risk at equally in a weak pack with plenty of other potential market moves news. It says Treasury extended rally as Israel puts military on high alert. It says the U.S. government that will rally further on Monday as the tensions in the Middle East come into focus, with Israel's military on high alert of a possibility of action by Iran. It says the 1 through 30-year yield were broadly low in a New York afternoon trade, and the benchmark 10-year yield down about 4 basic points at 3.9. It says bond market indicators show different views on the economy. It says more indicators in the fixed income space has been showing different signals of the health of the economy, according to the Ben Pace, a chief investor officials as the Circle T Partners. The inverted yield curves has been pushing into a recession. Widespread or difference in yields between highest bonds and the U.S. Treasury remains a fairly narrow, indicating that the economy is healthy pace in a call. So I'm just looking down the latest markets from earlier today. But as of today, we seeing the markets went down from the Dow Jones Industrial Average went down 140 points negative. The only ones that really gained was the NASDAQ composite. So the S&P 500 gained a little bit, right along with the NASDAQ gain as well too. But the Dow Jones went down as well too. As it says again, it says the Dow Jones in 140 points lower as traders digest last week's volatile shock. Bring out a scripture. And this is Jeremiah. Jeremiah 51. Yep, Jeremiah 51 verse 8. It says, Babylon suddenly fall and destroy half her, take bond for her pain, is so that she may be healed. So with that, hopefully this sit down lesson was edifying of this recent news article from MarketWatch.com. As is last updated August the 12th, 2024 at 4:41 p.m. Eastern Time. And it reads, stock market today, Dow Jones in 140 points lower as traders digest last week's volatile shock. So with that, hopefully this sit down lesson was edifying, like I mentioned before again. So with that, I'd like to give all praises and glory and honor to Yahweh Ba'Shem, Yahweh Shai Ba'Shem Akakadash, Barakatham to the elders wa Akim Akwaf. Until next time, I will say Shalom.